What it do, gang? Who did that? Checking in with another video. You know what's going on, or y'all finna know what's going on. But yeah, man. The mailman just came and stuff like that. There's probably some shit in my eyes and stuff. Man, I've been working like a motherfucker. But the mailman just came, so you know what's going on. Okay. I'm gonna do coilovers on the back of the colors later on, but right now we ain't got none on the colors. That sucker just sitting on springs. If it dumps too high, man, the springs will come from the front of this, so most definitely will. But I guess these are fasteners or whatever for the shocks. And this is the cheapo shocks I went and got. But these should be straight though for the back. Just to go put some on the colors. Y'all see what's in the background. Yeah, I know I ain't give y'all no real update. That's why I'm finna go ahead and show out right now for y'all. So boom, it's the OBS, y'all. Ooh, we're not done. Still doing the roof. Roof is fully functional, or the button neck. I fiberglassed it yesterday. I should have made a video, but I'm gonna come back and put another layer on top of this before I do some bundle glass. But yeah, I see what's going on. She in there, fully functional. Yes, sir. I'm thinking about taking these 26s off though and putting these on my colors. If I have 28s for this truck, to be honest with you. My gear shift is messing up on this truck, so I just ordered another one last night. I'm still gonna I'm gonna crank it up for y'all. I got the pipes done on it now. Never mind, this is the transmission. This is still the old Hornets. I haven't tapped into it yet and figured out the speed and stuff like that. So I still got the wire Hornets on here until I'm done exactly. You don't want to chop nothing off before you start. Get some more lighting. Okay, see a little better. But these are the pipes I got ran on it. I got duals. It's like a straight pipe too. I don't have no mufflers right now until I get some. I'm gonna order some Angry Housewives Black Widows. So there's a muffler choice I'm going with. So yeah, she right up under here. I'm finna go ahead and crank it up again. Yeah. Ooh, y'all heard it. I ain't got a tune or nothing yet, so you know I gotta pat it like a. When it catch itself, it'll catch y'all. I think she about caught now. take y'all for a ride, but I got another video that I already made. I'm gonna post my reaction when I first got this truck running. I'm gonna cut it off. I know this car part is pretty loud. So yeah, that's that. Y'all know Yuki already, she's still ready. I'm gonna put a buff on this truck too, man, to bring that color out. It's kind of green in person. It's blue on the camera. That's crazy. But I'm finna show y'all what else I got. My girl wanted the truck so bad, y'all. I'm talking about so bad. She been talking about she want a car with character. So I went and bought a truck to flip to go sell. But when I brought it home, she was like, I might want that one. So I'm finna show y'all the Yukon. This John. Y'all think she decent? Shit, it look pretty good. I might want to keep this fucker for myself, let alone give it to her. But, you know, sacrifices must be made. She is my baby mother, so she gotta ride like me. I ain't gonna get her no camera, nothing like that. But she decent. I gotta put a little door handle on this side. I got another truck that my brother burned his truck up, so I'm gonna replace those two front seats. We're gonna put somebody had a snakeskin headliner. We took that out. We're gonna go with a royal blue or the same color outside of the truck. We're gonna change that headliner, put her a nice little system in here, bro. Back seats are pretty good. But she can build this car with character, literally. Let her have her own little fun with building stuff, bro. This will be her first build. She probably can make some money off of it. She might can keep it. I mean, whatever she want to do. But it's all her though. She can make any decision she want. If she gonna set it, I'll let y'all know. But yeah, this is what I just bought. We're gonna keep this in the family, y'all. Well, for right now anyway. And of course, y'all already know what's going on with this junk. Yes, sir. Nah, someone telling me to go on here. Oh, I went and got this. If y'all look at my old videos, I was missing this, and the salt top was peeled back a little bit. But now you see that I got that. I'm going to paint that color match with the car. Then we're gonna put that back on there when I get the clips. I ordered the clips last night too. Whenever those clips or whatever come in. So yeah, backyard looking better and better. Gotta clean it up, but other than that, man, we coming, y'all. We most definitely coming. But give y'all a little quick update on the OBS. I'm probably gonna go ahead and go put these shocks on or something real fast. But all this stuff in the go. I've been clearing my yard out all day. OBS been working. No cap, the OBS been working. I don't mean to do her like that, but hell, shit, this is the only truck I got with a bed on it. I done moved 2-3 motors, a transmission, and a cherry picker on the back of this truck today with the rims on it. Hauling ass sucking gas, man. Squatting and farting, no cap. But yeah, I mean, she is a work truck. I mean, typically that's what you buy them for. And y'all know Yuki still ready. I ain't even gonna tell y'all about that. I don't even want to relive that situation. But yeah, this is the update on the OBS. She firing up. Yeah, she ready. She need a tune. Most definitely need a tune. But I got an HP tuner now, so I'm finna start playing with them numbers myself to get a better understanding about it. I hate to keep doing these swaps and I don't even have I'm not even able to tune the vehicles myself. It's kind of embarrassing to have it cranking and running and it ain't running right. So we gonna play with these numbers on the HP tune I got later on tonight, and see can we get it cranking up, adjust the I think it's a throttle position, adjust the airflow, adjust the idle when you driving idle, and adjust the idle itself when it's in park. if I can just get them small things like that done, we can go do. I'll tap into doing the re-in and not doing the re-in, but doing the re-in numbers and stuff on the HP tuner, the shift points and gas airflow ratio. When I can max it all the way out and get it to the best quality it can and the best performance. Right now, I don't even know how to do all that. I've been looking at people and looking at videos and stuff like that. I have the HP tuner, that's the crazy thing about it, but I ain't trying to spend no money on unlocking the computer to know what the fuck I'm doing. I mean, unlock the computer, but unlocking the options on the computer for these two trucks. I need a tuner on the Yukon too. The Yukon not been tuned yet. Somebody told me $1,400 for two trucks, man. $1,400 build a couple of LSs. I only spent like $500-600 building my monthly plan. So we gonna see. I really don't know yet. I'm gonna try my best to see about the tunes or whatever, so I can just get it cranking up like I want to. And that's the biggest thing. After that, man, it's over with. I'm becoming a professional at this shit at this point. But I'm gonna give y'all one more walk around of this Yukon my girl just got. Well, I bought for my girl or whatever. And we gonna end a video like this, alright? Decent truck, man. Decent. I mean, it got a little body damage before what I paid for. Shit. I need the transmission too, but I paid a little bit of nothing for the truck. I already had the rims. The rims was on my truck at first. I took them off because I like to haul ass. I can't be hauling that with no rims on my truck. I'm fucking around and bend the shit out of them. I already had a hairline crack on one of them, so we ain't trying to keep on ruining the rims. But yeah. Who did that? Checking out with another video, man. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. I'm gonna start dropping these videos back to back when these parts start coming in for this cut dog. You know I gotta get the colors running before at least July. But cause we ain't rushing this one. We gotta put some bacon in this one. So in order to get some bacon, you gotta make the bacon. You know, we gotta make the bacon and spend the bacon. You hear me? So with that being said, who did that? Checking out with another video. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, and run me up. Yeah. All right, y'all.